Welcome to My Bake Escape. I'm so excited to share my love of baking with you. On this channel, you will find all sorts of sweets and baked goods, such as cookies, cakes, cupcakes, as well as the occasional savory recipe. I also show you my favorite tips and tricks to make the baking experience more enjoyable. I'm always trying out new recipes and techniques, and I can't wait to share my success and even the occasional failure with you. Whether you're an experienced baker or just starting out, I hope that you'll find something here that inspires you to get in the kitchen and start creating. This year, I'm starting a new travel series called My Bake Escapes. I love traveling and trying delicious food from all over the world, and I hope that you'll join me on my adventures. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to follow along, and if you want to see more of what I'm up to day to day, you can follow me on Instagram at My Bake Escape. You can access all of my recipes as well as my favorite baking tools and equipment by visiting mybakeescape.com. No matter what is going on in life, you can always find a little joy by escaping to your kitchen and baking a delicious treat. So come along and join me on My Bake Escape.